Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Safitri Salsabilah. My student ID number is 81 from Class C. In this video, I will explain about the guest lecture I attended last week and the agricultural commodities I want to export. The main topics that I will explain are the first about the time of the guest lecture and the presenters. The second is if I carry out export activities, then what are the times, strategies, tips or learning that I will do as motivation to start an export business based on the material I got from the guest lecture. And the third is the commodity that I will export and the reason I choose that of commodity. The theme of the first lecture is sharpening leadership ability to build entrepreneurship spirit in students with Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi as the speaker. The theme of the second lecture is entrepreneurship social media management, case study of MSME and cooperative with the speaker being Muhammad Wahyu Firdaus. Motivation or strategy to start an export business from guest lectures. The first is based on guest lecture with the theme sharpening leadership ability to form entrepreneurship spirit in student by Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi. If we want to hone leadership skill to form an entrepreneurial spirit, then we must become a leader for ourselves before becoming a leader to create an entrepreneurial spirit. Other people by being honest with ourselves, determining what targets we will achieve in the future. Being a learner and willing to accept suggestions and opinion from others. Always think positively for the future and remain humble to others. Next is the concept of mindful leadership. This concept is intended to encourage us to do work at one time, because when we try to do several things at one time, we will reduce our focus of accuracy in doing testing. We must be able to lead ourselves more consequently, for focus and more productively in various ways before running a business and before leading others. Some of the leadership characters is running entrepreneurship are having a clear vision, having the courage to take action, having high self-confidence, having the courage to take risks, having skill in communicating and building relationship, being a good listener, having a mentor or role model, being open-minded. The motto of education and its relation to leadership and entrepreneurship is in front of setting an example, in the middle giving encouragement, behind giving encouragement. Which means if we are in front or become leaders, then we must be able to set a good example for those around us. If we are in the middle, then we must be able to give encouragement to the leader and help him. If we are behind or become subordinate, then we must be able to give encouragement to superior or leader so that they can carry out the plans that have been set and can stay enthusiastic. The second is based on guest lecture with the theme social media management entrepreneurship, case study of MSME and cooperative by Muhammad Wahyu Firdaus. Social media function of MSME and cooperative: 1. Building relationship and long-distance communication. 2. Building identity or branding. 3. Sharing information or activities. 4. Place for buying and selling online transaction. The most popular social media in Indonesia in 2021, namely YouTube, then followed by WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Line, and so on. The most suitable social media for MSME and cooperative today are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Wikipedia. How to optimize social media as a business tool for MSME and cooperative, namely: 1. Pushing the social media must controlled by the team. This is related to the ability of the management or social media operator research. If no social media is controlled, cost the assist social media and provide training for team. 2. Research keyword and hashtag. 3. Optimization of social media profile so that many people are interested in saying or account. 4. Optimizing post, clear product photos and containing admin or customer service number, content or post containing detailed information on SME and corporative activities or product. Posting containing keywords that have been researched previously, including location according to keywords, including hashtags that have been researched, creating a schedule and target number of posts, and being consistent. The commodity that I choose to export is shrimp. The reason I chose shrimp is because Indonesia has quite a large fishery potential. Apart from the agricultural sector, Indonesia also has opportunities in the fishery sector. One of the fishery products in Indonesia is shrimp. The available land is wide enough to provide opportunities to produce more shrimp. Generally, shrimp are exported in frozen fillet and sealed on farm with an average yield of 65%. So production is estimated to be no more than 503,000 tons. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for processed products, especially shrimp, increased. Is the estimate that the export volume of ready-to-cook and ready-to-eat products last year rose 50%. This is an opportunity to encourage value-added product to increase export value. To increase shrimp productivity, steps were taken to improve irrigation channels, apply appropriate technology, and introduce superior fry that grow fast and are disease resistant. Implementation of sustainable shrimp farming, a new paradigm of modern eco-friendly ponds to be more efficient. The concept of multi-tropic aquaculture, namely intercropping between milkfish, snapper, saline tilapia, and crabs, is combined with a mangrove forest rehabilitation program in the concept of aqua and ecotourism. First, it guarantees a sense of security and business certainty. The government must immediately simplify licensing. Second, build infrastructure in the pond area. Collective wastewater treatment plants are managed together to ensure sustainable cultivation. Third, the introduction of environmentally friendly appropriate technology. A pilot project is needed to increase the productivity of traditional ponds. Fourth, ensure the availability of superior broodstock. Fifth, make regulation protect the environment, food safety, and business sustainability. Farm certification should be encouraged and certified to ensure the traceability requirements that buyers demand. Sixth, increasing promotion and branding. 7. Reduce the level of business risk. The financial service authority is expected to provide confidence so that bonds asset can be used as collateral. To achieve the state target, the government does not need to be giddy and feel alone. The program to increase shrimp export by 2,050% is awaited by farmers. It is considered realistic and doable. The government just has to be more open, so that since the program is planned, it is necessary to build open, honest, and effective communication between the government and business actors. That's all I can explain. More or less, I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.